Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. In this video, you will learn how to increase credit limit online in ICICI Bank. First of all, open iMobile app in your phone. This is the iMobile app. I open it and enter your PIN and go to My Credit Card. Click on Manage option here and go to Latest Bill here. Here you will see the limit, total credit limit 46,000 already I have. If you want to increase or decrease credit limit, click on manage limit. Click on manage limit and here you can use this bar to increase or decrease credit limit. I have used to maximum limit 46,000. Suppose if you want to decrease, you can move to the left side. If you want to increase, suppose if you have increased limit, you will see empty bar here and you can increase like this. Okay, if you move to the right side, rightmost will be the maximum amount. I have already availed maximum amount, so there is no limit beyond this for my case. In case if you have any increased limit, you will see here and just you can increase and click on submit and it will be applied. Okay, so in this way you can easily increase credit limit online in ICICI Bank using iMobile app. That's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.